Hi! Today I'll show you how to easily remove and reinstall the ear pad cushions on these Beyerdynamic DT770 headphones. But this guide also works for the DT880 and DT990 models. To remove the ear pads, just grab them firmly and pull them off. They're attached to the headphone body with a small lip around the edge. I should warn you, removing them is about 10 times easier than putting them back on. So make sure you've already got a new replacement set. The link is in the video description. To remove the dust filter, you'll need a thin tool. Insert it into the small gap between the headphone body and the locking ring, and gently lift it up to release and remove the fabric filter. After that, place the new replacement filter inside. To make it easier to put on the new ear pad, stretch the rim a little. Then place one part of the ear pad edge over the headphone body and hold it firmly in place. With your other hand, use your fingers to pull the remaining edge over. Keep holding the part that's already on, otherwise it'll slip off, and you'll be doing this replacement until retirement age. Do the same thing for the other side. Sometimes the ear cup hinge can block you from putting the ear pad back on. Moving the headphones a bit can help. Once you finally manage to get it done, congratulations! I hope you didn't reach retirement age in the process, and everything went smoothly. Thanks, and good luck.